I was beginning to worry about our high tunnel collapsing, so today we're going to get some snow knocked off the roof. This week we got 8 to 10 inches of snow and a fine layer of ice in between. I prefer to get the snow off of the roof by vibrating and shaking the inside of the plastic. Our polytunnel is a double layer setup with a fan that keeps air between the two layers. I start at the end near the blower so that I get more air pressure and tension on the plastic as I get the weight off of it. I'm going to speed up the video to the halfway point, and then we'll take the camera on the inside to show you what I'm doing in there. Here you can see the layers that we accumulated each day and how thick it was getting. This tunnel wouldn't have lasted much longer with this weight. On the inside, I'm pressing very gently on the plastic, causing a vibration to get the snow to slide down. I have to be careful not to press too hard or I risk tearing a hole in the plastic. Again, I'm going to speed the video up so that we get to our next point where we're trying to reach the snow at the highest point of the polytunnel. To reach the pitch of the polytunnel, I use a soft bristle push broom wrapped with a blanket, and I repeat the same process by vibrating the plastic and knocking the snow off, letting it slide down the side of the polytunnel. I should have cleaned this off earlier when there was less snow, but I'm glad I got it done before our tunnel collapsed. We do not use the tunnel for produce in the winter, but we have brought in several goats to keep them warm and heated easier than our barn. The polytunnel is a very important structure on our farm, and hopefully this is our biggest snow of the season. As soon as we get a sunny day, the rest of that's going to melt off real quickly, and we'll be good till spring.